This is a lot of food he ate over the last few weeks.
Rejected supermarket food, funky food.
My sister stole some of these.
Noodles are a cheap and easy to plump up option for a meal. This is like a cheap Japanese ramen dupe. Cheap and easy work lunch option, not healthy too. Chicken tacos. Fruit snacks for on the go. I really shouldn't eat cheese. Roast chicken. These are too heavy. More funky food. Mom calls this a burger. I am matcha obsessed. Seriously. I could eat matcha all the time. Also oranges. I should eat healthier. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Find me on twitch.bambysmz.